Good morning, children. Yesterday we completed question number 1, 2, 3 bits. Question number 2 today we are going to start from exercise 3. Find the unknown x and y in the following diagram. Following some diagrams are given, children. See the first diagram. It is a triangle but it's moving ahead, isn't it? That is exterior angle. So first of all you find out how is it, children? Observe this figure. Common vertex and common arm. So it is a linear pair. So what is this equal to, children? First of all you have to find this y value. Y plus 120 degrees is equal to 180 degrees because they have a common vertex and a common arm. So they are in a linear pair. Y plus 120 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So y is equal to 180 degrees. This send it to that side, ma. First write that. Why they are equal to 180 degrees means they are in linear pair. Okay. Why they are in linear pair? They have a common vertex and a common arm. So y plus 120 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Now this 120 plus 120 will go to that side. LHS to RHS, it becomes minus. So y is equal to how much, children? 60 degrees. We got unknown y value. Now from triangle, what is the name of the triangle? PQR. Just now we got y as a 60 degrees. Write down. From triangle, what is the name of the triangle? PQR. Angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degrees. Which property, children? Angle sum property. So if you want to write full angle sum property, or else you can write angle sum property. Angle P is what, ma? X degrees. Angle Q is what? 50 degrees. Angle R is nothing but your y degrees. That is just now we got it now. That one you substitute. Y as we got just now 60 degrees. So x degrees 50 degrees plus 60 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So x degrees plus 110 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Send this plus 110 to that side, ma. X is equal to 180 minus 110 degrees. So x is equal to 70 degrees. We got x as a 70 and y as a 60 degrees. So he is asking you find unknown x and y. We got it. Okay, fine. Now here, bit number 2. See the figure, children. Observe the figure and then start first. Triangle is there, but in that triangle you have x as 80 degrees. Why x is equal to y 80 degrees? Because they are in a vertically opposite angles. They are opposite in a vertically opposite angle. So solution, directly we got x as 80 degrees. Why they are equal to 80 degrees x as? Because x is vertically opposite angle to 80 degrees. So they are equal. Vertical opposite angles are equal, na? Vertical opposite angle. You have to write the reason, children. Otherwise you will not get marks. So x is equal to 80 degrees. Directly we got x as a 80 degrees. Now from triangle, what is the name of the triangle, children? RST. From triangle RST. I am not writing TRIANGLE. I am just giving the symbol of triangle. Angle R plus angle S plus angle T is equal to 180 degrees. Angle R is how much, children? Angle R is nothing but x. X degrees. Angle S is how much? 50 degrees. Plus angle T is how much? Y degrees. Is equal to 180 degrees. But we got just now as x as 80 degrees. Vertically opposite angle, na? So substitute that 80 degrees, 50 degrees, y degrees is equal to 180 degrees. 80 plus 50 how much, children? 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130. Isn't it? 130 degrees plus y degrees is equal to 180 degrees. This 130 will go to that side. LHS to RHS. So plus becomes minus. So y degrees is equal to 180 minus 130 degrees. So y degrees is equal to 50 degrees. We got y as 50 degrees and x as 80 degrees. So write down here x degrees as 80 degrees and y degrees as we got 50 degrees. Here x degrees as, I did not write now, 70 degrees and y degrees as 60 degrees. Fine. Now here third bit, see the third bit children, figure is like this now, it's going exterior angle property. So solution, for finding exterior angle property you should know any one angle children, but here both are unknown, so better to start from triangle MNA. From triangle MNA, angle M plus angle N plus angle A is equal to 180 degrees. Angle sum property. Why we are not taking exterior angle property children? Our linear pair. See children, x plus y is equal to 180 degrees. We cannot find anything. If any one you should know any one, x or y. Then only you can go in a linear pair and then you can find the one unknown quantity. But here both are unknown quantities, so we cannot find. So go with the, because here we have two angles, so we can find easily third angle, isn't it? From this we can find the x value. That's the reason. You observe the figure, then go through it. Okay, here we know the two angles, you can easily find the third angle. So angle M is how much children? 50 degrees. Angle N is y degrees plus angle A is 60 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. How much? 110 degrees plus y is equal to 180 degrees. Send this 110 to that side. Y is equal to 180 minus 110. Y is equal to 70 degrees. We got y as 70 degrees. Now from this figure, we got just now y as 70 degrees. Y plus x is equal to, now y plus x is equal to 180 degrees. Why it is? They are in linear pair. If you want to draw, you can draw and check it out. The figure is like this now. Y, x. So they have a common vertex and a common one. That's the reason this x plus y is equal to, or y plus x is equal to 180 degrees. They are in a linear pair. So just now we got y as a 70 degrees. Now substitute now. 70 plus x is equal to 180 degrees. Send it to 70 that side children. X is equal to 180 minus 70 degrees. So x angle is equal to 110 degrees. So we got x as 110. X degrees as 110 degrees and y degrees as 70 degrees. Okay, complete your work, do it practice on a daily basis and complete your notes and submit me on my personal window. Thank you.